Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is interior architect Gizem Sevilmiş, and now I'm at Turkey in Büyükyalı residences, which are designed by Fendi. We are in 2+1 apartment, and I'm gonna show you all the details of this apartment. Here is the entrance area of this apartment. I'm standing in front of the main entrance door. There is two wardrobes that is designed by Fendi here, which was very much interesting. Topic is that here they did some washing machine laundry cabinet. It's just next to the door. It's quite interesting. But in order not to create big demolitions, we decided to accept it as it is. So here we have a nice hall area, and here we have the bedrooms. We have a living room in front of me, and on the right we have the kitchen. So I will show you the kitchen. We have an L-shaped kitchen. We just made small touches in this kitchen. First of all, we used here Omexco wallpaper, which is made up of real stones. This came from United States. It's very, very beautiful. And we made here a sitting area, some chairs by leather, covered by leather, and some wooden table with some gold details. And nothing else, because the kitchen was already small. Actually, we like the bronze version of this wallpaper, but since the area is small, we decided to choose the beige one. As you see that here we have a door, sliding door, which is made up of some reflective glass. So this door is opening to the living room. So if you want to open it, you can have some open kitchen area here. You can combine these two areas. And here we are passing from kitchen to living room directly by opening this door. This door is like very, very beautiful, reflective glass. So it's not direct seen what is inside. If especially the lights are closed, you may not see what is going on inside. It's just like a mirror effect. So let's start from the TV unit. In TV unit, we have a bioethanol fireplace, which is, I can say, like a candle, but in order to give that impression of real fireplace here, we made this marble covering over it. This marble is Sahara Black, which has like this special golden and white lines, as if you did by brush by yourself. Nature is amazing. And you see that the veins are continuing on the side. It's like a piece of art here. And after that, we are continuing with suede textile, bronze mirror, and some gold details. The best part of this TV unit for me, you see in the down part, we made this mesh coated with gold and squeezed it inside of two glasses and made this golden frame, and it's looking a very nice texture. And we had here some kind of column. So we coated this column with the wood, like this, and there is gold details in between. Here, this area is a dining area. In this dining area, we have this like chandelier, which is like maybe the most modern way of classic chandelier, which is not continuing in the same body, but separated by piece and hanged on the wall. Actually, this is more accessories than chandelier, because there is no lighting. So here we added these small spotlights to have this like a little lighting in this area. Here we have this Christopher Guy chairs, their special textile over it, and that famous X legs. That corner, I can say, and we didn't know what to do here. We designed several options, and in the end we wanted to have some rotatable bar cabinet here. It's made up of wood, marble, and gold details. There is, both sides are closed and two sides are open. And then the design is continuing on the side also. Here we have in front of the TV unit, I can say, when you enter to the living room from the normal entrance, not from the kitchen, you are welcomed by this sofa. This sofa is very nice, like calm color, nice velvet. Alhambra's velvet, I like so much this brand's velvet. And we have these three cloud shape mirrors there. It's giving nice feeling. And to have the similar design for the coffee table, we have this coffee table which is like same three clouds, I can say, and they seem like they're separate pieces. Actually it's single one piece, has like a lacquer color, some wood and some gold details on it. And we are giving a color to this room with this screen armchairs, has the silver finish as we have in the dining table. So now let's see the rooms. First of all, we will start to see all the details of the mother room. In this room there is mostly cream colors, as you may see, and we made a balance with wood here. First of all, here we have wardrobe, and we have this gold details, some like CNC detailing on the wardrobe. Also we have the same design going on the side of the wardrobe, so when we enter to the room at least we will see something decorative. For the headboard wall we have this real wood which is in the same style of the wardrobe but with gold details. And in this room we used platin color and the gold color together, and we have this platin pendant lightings. You see that this is a special crystal called Asphor, which is like shiny and very nice quality. And we have the side tables which are round, again with cream color and some platinum details. You can see. And the bed area, as you can see, it's the same textile with the headboard wall. We just give a little bit decoration with this nice pillows which has brown and beige colors inside. And there is this throw which is from the same collection but in different texture. We had in this room this kind of column area. We were thinking about a lot of designs here, but then we decided to keep simple and choose very nice wallpaper here. In this wallpaper, as you see that we have like this nice triangular shapes. And when we saw this wallpaper, we decided to have these curtains which has the same style. They are from different brands, but they're so much similar in style, and our chiffon is like this also. It has also gold colors inside, very compatible with the room. And here we have this makeup desk area. We have again platinum gold details at the same time together used. And we have here some wallpaper with the leather. And we have here a special wood decor. And when you open, we have also hidden drawers inside. And here we completed this area with small poof, which has, you see that, similar triangular texture as the wallpaper and the curtain. Some nice poof area. And this makeup desk is continuing with gray glass and standing with single foot. And on this wall we have this nice textured wallpaper that's giving some cozy feeling to this room. So this is the master bedroom. I will show you all the details. Now when you enter, you are welcomed by wardrobe area. We have these frames in the wardrobe. Later you will see in our walls we will also have the exact same frames, and we have these handles which have the similar design and finishing with our headboard, which is a very precious piece. Let's see. Here in the sleeping area, as you see that we have very big, nice headboard. We purchased this one from Christopher Guy. It has like some velvet pieces, some silks. It's very, very beautiful, like some pinkish colors together. And it's very fragile piece, and it's single piece. It was very much fragile, and it was so hard for us to bring it upstairs. It just fit in the doors like from millimeter to millimeter, but it was very nice and it was worth for everything. We have also here some Christopher Guy chandeliers. You see that? His iconic designs. We have here ballerina elect side tables. And do you remember when I was showing you the wardrobe, I was telling you about the frames. So we have the same similar exact frames on the walls and also behind the wardrobe. So it was also a challenge for us to catch the same color on the wall and on the wood. We have again Christopher Guy makeup table and chair. And in order to have like nice design behind it, we produced this one. This mirror with a hidden lighting behind, and this wall decor. We have also here real silk curtains. It's very fragile but very, very beautiful finishing, and some shiny chiffon. And here on the bed you did another silk throw, which has like shiny finish also, very beautiful. And we choose some pillows that is catching the colors of the headboard. I hope you enjoyed this video and liked the design of the apartment. If you like, please press like and subscribe to our channel so you will be informed for the next videos. And if you would like to have the same experience with us, our details below.